Super quick video for you. I thought there was a disaster because one of the studs has popped off on here, but actually you can get replacement ones. These are basically just a stud that pushes in from the back, and it's an interference fit, as you can see in focus when it goes back in. It's an interference fit. So got a new stud, got a spare one as well. Actually got two new studs, but only one just for next time. And I got a wheel nut, a new wheel nut. Obviously I've over tightened that, or it's just brittle. Anyway, so I think to get it off, I'm just going to basically stick a punch on there and hit it with a big hammer, and that should just pop out. And then apparently what we do is to get it back in, we'll pop it in there, and then obviously we've got to probably tighten it with a nut on there and tighten it down with a nut and some washers just to get it back on. Something like that. You get the idea. Anyway, we'll give it a go.